Now we know jinx is when you coincidentally say the same thing as somebody else. But today, we're going to try to do it on purpose. A word will come on the screen, and Neville and I are going to shout the first word that comes to mind and see if we can say the same. In other words, I want to know if great minds think alike or fools seldom differ.
Well, I'm a great man. Put up the word, man. Let's go.
So what's the word? Planets. Saturn. You're supposed to say it same
Let me not think about it, man.
You have to...
I just said Saturn already. So no? I didn't say.
Planets. Mango.
Go ahead.
Caribbean country.
Jamaica.
Jinx.
Easy.
Color?
Red.
I read, you know, I said to you.
Is that what you never said?
No. Super
Batman.
hero. Batman.
No, but you keep saying you're going to say you're supposed to say.
Never before you said. You just ball out the thing, just say deals. I make it always say it together. Batman. All right, come back again.
You say Batman already. Come.
When you run out of words? Month.
March. March is your word. So we just feed out and say March.
Oh my
Come
God.
again.
Car brand.
Audi. That is too funny.
Time up there?
12 o'clock. What?
Just go for say morning. I know a specific time. Number between 1 and 10?
7.
Girl's name?
Delia. I mean that the boy's name? Never. That's so simple. Come again.
Cartoon? Tom and Jerry.
Popeye.
Reggae artist? Bob Marley.
What's the one
Come
there?
again.
Day of the week.
Thursday.
Religion.
Christianity? Yeah.
Because I was going to say something like Catholic or something like that. That's
Sport.
easy.
Football.
You're going to do it again?
What
do you mean you're going to do it?
Oh, planets? So what did wrong with this thing I first?
Oh, just say at the same time.
Oh.
So we have to go Saturn. I don't understand that, but yeah, that is the jinx. We're supposed to say the same thing. Fruits.
Mango. But you really come back with the apple.
Well, you come back with the mango.
Of course. Where say it all over?
So everything?
Jamaica. Or must say a different one. Say a different one.
Must say a different one?
Oh, all right, no problem. Trinidad and Tobago.
Hold on now, we must say a different one? Oh, say a different one.
Right. First. Oh, so go back. All right, where does it get it now? Go back. Color? Blue. All right.
So we say it together now. Superhero.
Batman. Batman come back in a minute. No.
They have a Batwoman.
Month. August.
So you got an August.
No.
Car brand. BMW.
Yes.
Time of the day.
Nice. Number between 1 and 10? 5.
Might as cheap. We done, man. Girl's name? Jody. Boy's name? Marvin. All right, we get that one too.
Cartoon. Top Cat.
You know, say Top Cat is my favorite
And
cartoon.
the best cartoon in our world.
Yeah. Bonnie Wheelers.
Yes. Day of the week. Friday.
Might as cheap.
Religion.
Catholic.
Might as cheap. Sport. Netball.
Oh, so me and cricket.
Never ready for go down the week to the back.
Oh, that's it. All right. Okay. We killed some time a while ago.
Producer, we have peer problem. Hey,
oh, yeah. Me like that one. Me like that one. All right. So, we have some news coming up, folks, don't we?
Right.
We have news in 5 with the minister. And then we're going to come back here in Studio A. Stay with us, please. We soon come.
Floor manager